India's top clean cities are ranked number 1, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Ranked number 2, Bhopal. Ranked number 3, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Ranked number 4, Surat, Gujarat. Rank number 5, Mysore, Karnataka. Rank number 6, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Rank number 7, New Delhi Municipal Council. Rank number 8, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Rank number 9, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Rank number 10, Vadodara, Gujarat. Results of this year's survey confirmed that a major transformation in respect of sanitation is taking place in Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh, followed by Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So let us call them as the movers and shakers of the ongoing cleanliness drive. In Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand, all the cities surveyed this year have substantially improved their ranking over that of 2016 and 2014, with Uttar Pradesh alone accounting for 25, that is half of them. This is an unfortunate situation. Rajasthan and Punjab have 5 cities each in the bottom 50, followed by Maharashtra with 2 and 1 each from Haryana, Karnataka and Lakshadweep.